Come back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. I love to make you guys healthy salad. Very, very healthy salad. This one is just going to be spinach, tomato, cucumber. And honestly, please try this one at home, guys. When you're going to do it, you can put a little bit of lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, whatever you like to put on it. But it's one of the best you could ever have when you have it just like this. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I'm always giving you the best recipe. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere and watch this beautiful recipe at home. Nice and lovely. So basically, what I'm going to do is take you through it. One medium-sized red apple. I love this kind of recipe, guys. It's just really fantastic and amazing. So cut up your apple very small. Put it straight inside of the bowl like that. I'm using a medium-sized apple. That is beautiful. So that's the apple. Let's get a medium-sized apple. Now, I'm gonna get one stalk of celery. And this is gonna be roughly about half a cucumber. Just cut it down into half. Cut it up very small like that. And this is a very unique recipe for you to make at home. Tomato. Lovely. Now, once you do that, what I'm going to do is some pepper. And just a little bit of dried chili flakes. It's lovely. Give it a lovely stir like this. Amazing. Now, once you do that, I have some spinach. That's the spinach I'm gonna put in it like that. Just a little bit of spinach, not much. Just simple. Honestly, it's amazing. Look at that. This is lovely. And you know what you can do with this nice, lovely spinach and all these kind of nice, lovely vegetable and everything. Look at that. That is lovely. That's simple. Look at that. That is lovely and an amazing. Simple as fold it together. Yeah. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe, and clicking the notification bell. As you can see it for yourself, it's just lovely and amazing salad. Look at that, guys. Fantastic. So please enjoy it, guys. And remember, one thing, subscribe is very important. Alright? Subscribe is very important. But look at the salad. So amazing and lovely. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like this will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So yeah, please stay tuned and I will see you next time in the kitchen.